Are you a stock or an options trader that is absolutely bored watching stocks that go by 30 cents a day, 75 cents a day, maybe $1 or $2? Look, this stock just dropped $229 in less than 5 days. Now, you may be thinking, what is going on here? What did this company do? Did they murder somebody? Well, the answer is no. This is actually an absolutely insanely great company. The question is, why did the stock drop $229? And how could you have known before that actually taken place? So that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Now, there's two simple solutions to you actually profiting in this. But number one thing, do you understand that you can actually make a lot more money when stocks fall compared to them climbing higher? Why would that be? Well, the truth is extremely simple. Stocks drop much faster than they go higher. So what stock are we actually talking about here? I'll tell you exactly. Here, check this out. It's BKNG. BKNG is a new ticker symbol from Priceline. So there we are. Thursday, last week, the stock trades at 21.6291 cents. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 5 days, guys. 5 days after market today, the stock is at $1,933.60. That's a $229 drop. Look, in the world of options, guys, look, a fortune is made right here. Okay, some guys don't make as much money on 100 trades. Jeez, guys, look, let me take you behind this. Let me show you exactly what took place here, okay? And let me show you the two simple ways how you could have taken advantage of this. $115 drop in less than 7 hours. What? How's that even possible? Look, the alert went out at about 9:35 this morning when the stock was around $2,050, 2,048 give or take. Okay? And so 6 hours later, the stock is at $1,933. This is just one of these videos in a series of the videos that I have made that actually prove the point of all the skeptics out there that good stocks drop too, and there is a number of reasons for that. But the question is, how do you actually identify that? Well, this is what we do here. We study charts day and night, identifying divergences. Now, what the heck is a divergence? Divergence is something where things are supposed to go in a similar direction, and all of a sudden, those two things are going completely the opposite directions. Let me give you a quick example. Sometimes when you look at your screen, when you trade, and everything just looks to be green, all the stocks look to just be going higher and higher. Do you know what actually takes place sometimes? Sometimes we have clear indications that show us that as stock prices go higher, what is actually taking place is banks are coming in and they are selling out their position. That's right, they're liquidating their positions at the speed of light. And I can actually take you behind the scenes to show you exactly the instances and when that takes place. So if you're looking to discover some crazy profitable opportunities, if you're really wanting to understand how these charts works, how the divergences work, simply click the link below this video or somewhere around this video and take action now. Now, if you've been subscribed to our channel, you probably, you're looking at these videos, you're like, man, I don't know what to do. These things just look too good to be true. So I challenge you, okay? I challenge you to simply subscribe to our alerts. If you don't want to study the charts, if you're busy running your business, if you're a doctor performing surgeries throughout the day, then this is the service for you. Look, this is how simple it could have been, okay? This is what we send out this morning. Another great stock drops like a rock. Did you get the alert? That's the question. So this is some of the examples, some of the alerts that we send out. And bear with me, I'll show you exactly how this BKNG played out from early in the morning till the after hours when it dropped to $1,933. So first alert goes out today, REGN 335 calls. And of course, REGN goes higher straight after that. And that alert was sent out at 9:28. So you could have locked in easy 200% gain. At 9:35, when Amazon actually shoots way higher, when BKNG shoots way higher, when Netflix goes way higher. Our proprietary formula, 13 market moves, is telling us, look, this is the top. This is a market move number 2. You actually want to be short in stock. So we send out this alert. Short Amazon, $1,700 puts. BKNG, 2,050 puts. Netflix, 405 puts. Now, if you follow the markets, you know Amazon ended up at $1,665 range. These puts would have made you in excess of 400%. BKNG, 2,050 puts puts, guys, that's a whole nother story. Jesus, these is over 1,000% returns. Okay, Netflix, 405 puts. Netflix ended up closing today at 390. We also sent out an alert on BABA, 190 puts. At 275 was the current going price for the options. Those were worth double that by the time of the close. Look, we also recommended YY puts, 106 strike at under $1 when YY today was traded at 109 with a target price of 103.50. Guess where YY ended up for the day? Exactly at our target price. Now, how much would that trade would have made you? Guys, 400%. Okay, 400% trade in less than 6 hours. Okay, now we actually sent another alert in the call, which is much longer term than just this week. Okay, so PBY 80 strike at about 192.2. Current price was 58.70. Target $110 by September. We actually, I know it sounds crazy, but we think the stock is going to double. Okay. YY puts, we recommended again with 100 strike puts at literally a price of just 15 to 20 cents. And guess where these ended up for the day? At 80 cents. That's, guys, that's another 400% return. Now around 108, we clearly send the message to our daily alert subscribe, the long-term alert subscription, which actually sends you messages about option alerts for longer time frame, like a month ahead, 3 months, 6 months, up to 2 years ahead on some of the options. And then this is actually an example of the alerts that would be going to our VIP daily subscribers, okay? Get out of calls, buy puts only, double top confirmed, BKNG could drop to $1,920 by next Friday. That was sent out at 1:10 p.m. I also sent out specifically, we're expecting literally $100 drop. And so there it is, the congratulations at 4:28 p.m. BKNG at 19:33 after hours. That's how simple it is. Look, you can be a skeptic or you can make a life-changing decision right now and make this year your best trading year ever. If you're a trader that's been curious, that's been wondering, how do you actually get in these trades before the big moves take place? Your answer is divergences. You have to study the charts. You have to understand the details in between the lines of those charts. Simply click the link below. Take action. Take one of our chart courses. Actually, take the course first to start out with how I personally turned 12,000 to 466,000 day trading in under 7 hours. That's a personal record of mine. I use the same divergences. I use the same analysis. I use the same 13 market moves for a breakthrough. In trading stocks, trading options, all these rules as far as charts and divergencies and the 13 market moves for day traders, they unanimously apply to trading options or stocks. But specifically, if you're a short-term trader and you're looking for a breakthrough, don't waste any more time. Simply click the link below. Take action now. Life is too short. Make this year your most profitable year ever.